Vassar LIASE program, acronym the Luce Initiatives on Asian Studies and the Environment, aims to promote a multidisciplinary international collaborative approach in environmental studies and the liberal arts setting. 2018 is our first year of the program. Our focus in the summer of 2018 is to generate interest from the environmental science faculty on China's environmental issue through intensive workshop in China with collaboration of Chinese universities. In addition to the summer workshop, LIASE also sponsors programs to encourage Asian study faculty members to enrich their language and social science courses with environmental content, and the summer language fellowship for students. We also invite Chinese science faculty to visit Vassar and discuss their research with our faculty members. We're hoping this effort will generate broad and lasting impact on research and teaching here at Vassar, in China, and beyond. In the summer of 2018, Vassar LIASE and East China Normal and Central China Normal University co-organized a 3-week summer field workshop in Shanghai and Wuhan. It brought together American and Chinese environmental study faculty and students from a variety of disciplines to study water and land-related issues. Workshop consists of continuous activities, including lectures and seminars by experts about their research on the chosen topics, technical training on scientific instruments and software such as geographical information systems, field visit, data collection, and lab work in Chinese universities. Students conduct research and the faculty guidance during the workshop. We also contributed to the content for courses in Chinese universities. By the end of the workshop, students developed a draft research report or proposals which would be revised over the academic year with the help of faculty members and will present in the National Student Research Conference in April 2019. We're also developing a bilingual story map to publicize research topics and findings. This will help for the future teaching and research effort. This video reflects some of the work we did over the summer of 2018.
The 2017-2018 workshop focused on water-related issues in and around Shanghai, China's most industrialized region located at the mouth of the Yangtze River. We went to examine various river systems in the central part and in the suburbs of Shanghai, led by professors from East China Normal University, ECNU. We also studied water and soil issues on Chongming Island. We have always known that to understand environmental problems, it is not sufficient to read about them. There is great value in experiencing the sites and interacting with the people there in order to appreciate the ways in which such problems are embedded in the physical environment and connected to economic, social, political, and cultural contexts. Having these workshops in China helps to reinforce the holistic nature of environmental problems and their possible solutions.
So before you plant the manure, pass in.
The intensive nature of such a field workshop has generated a deeper understanding and bonding among participants and will facilitate future collaborations. Our faculty members were introduced to the Chinese professors and their research programs during the summer workshop, which will lead to in-depth collaboration and longer-term interactions in personal and cultural as well as disciplinary terms.
Concentration in there, is that an environmentally realistic concentration?
As I worked that this point will change it from this colloid form or something like
It should be clear.
It should be clear.
Uh-huh.
Yes. However,
It wasn't 20 minutes. Does it just need more time?
we will check it on that machine and see what happens. At the beginning that we see that initial is almost here.
2.
4. This 4 belongs
Four,
to this
okay.
This one. And there's a little difference. Here is some kind of pink.
Yeah.
Rather than
Yeah, no, more orange and pink. Then.
Yeah.
If it's
And
okay.
George, do you want to try this machine? Okay.
Capillary tube in, and it's pulled up by capillary action.
Yeah.
Cool.
2 of our professors also participated in an online course called MOOC by contributing their knowledge and insights of different ecological preservation systems in China and America. Researchers and students can tackle common problems through their own disciplinary methods, but collaboration and exchange through the workshop will help to break down disciplinary boundaries. In addition to following through on the interests of environmental science faculty, we will encourage a small number of social science and humanities faculty to participate.
In Shanghai, we investigated extensively about the water issue. We spoke to Professor Deng Hong and the Vassar professors about the importance, and often difficulty, of bridging the gap between scientific research and actual agricultural implementation. Another highlight is our stay on Chongming Island. I especially liked the visit to Dongtan Wetland Park. The park had the most wildlife we've seen so far. Dragonflies, spiders, birds, crabs, and even a small alligator. We learned all about the different wetlands management and the importance of preserving these fragile ecosystems. We ended our day with a visit to the Yangtze River Delta Estuary Wetlands Station. We took a tour of the facilities and got an overview of their research on the island. It was a great experience to begin thinking about future possibilities for collaborations. During our stay in Wuhan, we had field trips to several rural agricultural areas that have an innovative circular farming practice. For example, the farmers in Guangzhou area have begun to cultivate rice alongside crawfish, aka crayfish or crawdads. In this way, the crawdads function as both a pesticide as well as a fertilizer, allowing the farmers to avoid adding synthetic chemical inputs. We really benefit a lot from the immersive learning experience of the research and fieldwork. The cultural immersion is a very effective way to approach an unfamiliar culture, and the diverse learning environments make us think about issues from a globalized view. I also appreciate the level of student engagement in every activity we did. Students and teachers were connected on a personal level. All the hands-on fieldwork, discussion conferences, and field trips keep everyone captivated and attentive. We had a high-quality learning experience because the immersive learning allows information to be digested and maintained in a memorable way.